to get the console off then, right, first of all, you want to get this bottom bit off. So we're taking one of these and we're going to go around it from here. Okay. This bit here, we need to get underneath this bit. Okay. Okay. Screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bastard. Red screwdriver. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right. Pull these two bits off here, okay? Pull out. Okay, like that. Okay, this top bit comes off. Now, Blu-ray drive, hard drive, power supply, fan, RF board, Wi-Fi board. Now, right, when you get to the point when you want to put the console back together, it's a bit tricky. Put this back on first of all, okay? Make sure it sits in nice and snugly. Turn it over. We haven't put the green screws back in yet, but make sure all the silver screws are back in first, okay? Don't attempt to put the console back together without all these silver screws being back in place first, okay? So, we take the console, note where the DVD drive is. This is the top shell, okay? Note where the DVD drive slot is there as well. This has got to go into there. So let's take the console. We're going to turn it upside down so that it lines up with this here, okay? With this here, this board, this is the on-off switch here, this white little switch. Make sure you don't damage this. Okay, really careful. The amount of times we've done this, it's easy to do if you've never done it before. So be careful when you're doing this bit here. You put the console into the shell like this, as far down as it'll go. Be gentle, don't force anything, okay? When it feels like it's in place, lift it up. You just heard it slot in there a little bit. And you want to line up this case here. So get that groove lined up like that and hear the snap. You want to do the same with this bit at this end as well, okay? Like that. Okay, that's it. Great. Both sides you can see are fitting flush. So now we can put the screws back in. Also, test the on-off button. Test all the buttons first. Okay, you want to hear that. You want to hear that switch going there. Green buttons, green screws in. the one. That's the one. Okay, that feels about right. Once you've done that, you can get the bottom of the case, line it up, make sure it's the right way round, which is this way here. You fit it on and it will just clip straight down. Okay, make sure it's flush all the way around. There you go.